Welcome students to Maths with Ravinder ma'am. We are doing chapter 1. So far we have done how to find the points P, X, Y. What are the points on the axis? Now we are doing if the point is in the quadrants. We know what are the quadrants. We have done X is positive in the first, Y is positive in the first quadrant, and for the second quadrant we know X is negative, Y is positive. For third quadrant R negative, X negative, Y negative, and for the fourth quadrant X positive, Y negative. Now the question is, if points are given, how we can find what is their location? Means what is the x coordinate, what is its distance from the x-axis, what is the distance of y-axis. So to find the distance from y-axis we have to find x, and to find the perpendicular distance from x-axis we have to find y. So for this you must look at this graph here. So this is, if I draw P is the point xy whose coordinates I have to find. If P is point xy, then I will draw perpendicular from point P parallel to y-axis, and then also from P parallel to x-axis. Now let us see. This distance is this much distance from P to y-axis. This is 1, 2, 3, or you can say this is 1, 2, 3, third quadrant. So x is equal to 3. And y, what is y? Y is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Length of perpendicular from P to x-axis. This is y is 4. So coordinates we will say 3, 4. Now similarly, if x1, y1 is a point, again I am finding the coordinates. I will draw perpendicular from here. This is the perpendicular and this is the perpendicular from to y-axis. So what is this length? This is 1 minus 4. And what is this length? This is 1, 2, 3, 3. So here x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 3. So what we will say the coordinates are minus 4, 3. If anybody says this is 3 minus 4, that is wrong. Always write x coordinate first, y coordinates then after that. So be careful about this. This is the usual mistake students do. So Q is minus 4, 3. Similarly, you can find what are the coordinates of R. This is, now here x is minus 3, y is minus 2. So R is minus 3, minus 2. You are given x1, y here, you can write x1, y1. So now if t, again this is xy. To find the value of xy, we will draw perpendicular from here to this line and from here to this line. Where it meets to x-axis, that point is the x coordinate 5, and where it meets to the y-axis, this is minus 3. So now you can also compare with x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, both positive, lying in the first quadrant. This is first quadrant. And x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 3, x negative, y positive, lying in the second quadrant. And this is x is equal to minus 3, y minus 2, both negative. This is in the third quadrant. And this is x is equal to 5, y minus 3, x positive, y negative, fourth quadrant. I think this is very much clear to you in which quadrant they are. Now I am giving you one homework. You must try to, without plotting, you must give the answer to me. In which quadrant the following points lie. Suppose the points is first 3 minus 2, second point 2 2, third point minus 5 4, fourth point 2 0, fifth point 0, minus 3. So, and let us take one more point. This is sixth number is, this will be, let us take this point, minus 3 minus 1. Yes, think about the answer. I am giving you 10 seconds. Write down only the quadrant. Note down. Yes. Try to do. You will be able to give the answer. Trick is only one. If both are positive, first quadrant. First negative, second positive, second quadrant. Both negative, third quadrant. First positive, second negative. This is fourth quadrant. So let us see. First is, check your answer. First is 3 and minus 2. First 3 positive, negative. Positive and negative. This is which quadrant? X positive, Y negative. So this is fourth quadrant. So I am writing here fourth quadrant. Let me change the pen color. So this is quadrant. This is fourth and 2 2. Both positive, first quadrant, and X negative, Y positive, second quadrant, and this is 2 0. Which quadrant is this one? This is tricky. This is x2 y0. Where it is? X-axis. Yes, this is x-axis. And x0 y minus 3. This will be on y-axis. And minus 30, if you don't remember this thing, please see my previous video. Minus 3, minus 1, both negative. This is in third quadrant, right? So practice this. You will enjoy this. Tomorrow we will do distance formula. And you please do the thing, like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.